not like he's that old. I just need to change my weaving. I love wearing wigs. He's old.
Yeah, obviously. You need to go and see that your boyfriend that makes hair down the road.
No. You know, the last time I went to his salon, the guy in it was, I don't know, he was misbehaving.
By the way, where is mom?
She's upstairs.
She should be in her room. Yeah, as
She
usual.
doesn't want disturbance, please.
I can imagine.
I actually changed my skin yesterday. Even if you have to change it.
Why?
I think it's really spend a lot of money. It's memory, that's why.
Hey girls! I'm going shopping tomorrow.
What's the baby?
Me, of course, me.
I'm already there with you.
Like, who wants to go with me? How many? One?
And wait, I'm the one going with her, not you girl. Meaning, you know I love clothes and I'm supposed to be the one to go with you and not them.
Really? I can
Besides,
imagine.
sister, you know all my clothes are getting old, so I need to change my wardrobe.
See, everybody's not.
My dear, you have
everybody.
box of clothes. Just tell me you need something new, then I will understand.
Yeah.
Okay, big sis, let me break this down, okay? I am going with you.
No,
So,
you have to stay back. Must you be everywhere?
I don't have good clothes, you know.
You too?
You have.
I don't.
Fine, I know everybody would want to go with me.
I'm already there with you.
I am not everybody. I am me. And
Besides, you know my wardrobe is, all my clothes are getting old, so I need to change it.
Please, you have loads of clothes inside. Who are you telling that? Me? Really?
Okay,
I don't want to believe you.
I don't have.
Really? Even you?
let's squeeze
Oh,
your
please
face
shut
and
up.
laugh
I know you
tomorrow.
too, girl. You have boxes
squeezing your
and boxes of clothes.
What's that?
Catching fight.
I've not used it before. Nigga. I wish I'm from the royal family.
You know you can never come from the royal family. It's not possible. So there is no need you saying that you're from a royal family.
Neka, is that an insult or what?
My friend. Hey, why would you take it like that? Sorry, no, don't be offended. Yeah, sorry for the word.
It's okay. Just that yesterday, I was coming back. I saw our princesses. They were looking so good. Oh, Amaka.
Hey, all of them.
Yeah, so maybe I was jealous. People were staring at them. You need to see them. They were walking so majestically. Amaka.
Hi, Ego.
Amaka knew.
But my dear, now you're not from a royal family. What will you do?
What will you have me do? Nothing.
Thank you. Can you do me a favor, my friend? Let's go to the stream and fetch the water.
Yeah, my friend, let's go. Let's go. I've gotten home. Yours is better. I still have long way to go.
Oh, you gave me.
Hope I'll sleep now.
I don't know. Don't tell me you're going to miss me.
Of course you know I will.
Okay, I'll try. I promise you.
Let me continue my game. Of what I did.
Okay.
Please, tell me where's your family. Alright.
Pretty damn safe. How are you?
To start with, my name is not Pretty Damn Safe. I'm Adobe, and I'm not that beautiful.
Of course you are. Adobe, look, you are the most beautiful woman in this village. Trust me.
I am not. Maybe let's say you haven't seen beauty. Visit my palace and you'll be convinced.
Well, that is their business. As far as I'm concerned, I'm staring at the most beautiful woman in this village.
Okay, Mr. Man, how may I help you?
My turn now. My name is not Mr. Man. My name is Emeka. I am from this village and I like you and I want us to be friends.
Really? Okay. Emeka, as the name goes. I am in a haste now, so we can't talk about this now. Can we leave it till next time?
Alright, so tell me, when next do we meet?
Next 2 weeks, Tuesday will be okay.
Oh. 2 weeks is a whole long time. Please just reduce it a little. What of tomorrow?
No, I'll be very busy. Okay, Friday. Friday is okay.
Alright, Friday then. So, time and place.
2 p.m. at the back of the village square.
2 p.m. on Friday. 2 p.m. it is. She's indeed pretty. Alright, Friday, 2 p.m. She's beautiful. Look at that. 2 p.m.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. You know, for you, I can actually spend the whole day here. I don't mind waiting. So how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
As you can see, I'm all good.
So, what were you saying the other day?
Well, I wanted to make you understand my feelings towards you.
Feelings? I don't understand.
Alright. Look, I want you to be my girlfriend. I want you to be the woman in my life. And don't be scared about getting hurt, okay? Because I will never hurt you.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
What is it about me that makes you think I should be the woman of your dreams? Am I that beautiful?
Huh? Look at question. You are not just beautiful in my dreams. You are beautiful in my reality too. You are a damsel. In fact, as a matter of fact, your beauty radiates even brighter than the sun itself. Why do you think I'm always after you? In fact, you are God's best creature.
It's okay. I've heard you. Please. And please, I want you to give me some time. 2 days precisely.
2 days?
Yes, 2 days. So that I'll think about it. You know, relationships are not things you rush into. I really need some time to think and be sure I want to be in it.
You are really intelligent. It's alright. No problem. I'm ready to wait. Thank you very much. And don't forget, 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days.
So once it's 2 days, I'll look for you anyway. If you don't come to me, I'll come to you.
You're funny. Okay.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay, ma.
Hi. God tried. God tried.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Why didn't you say yes now? What trying to do this again? You don't like him?
I like him, but
What?
you don't have to rush it. I'm a woman. I have to show some shakama. You know that. Put you my friend. Know where am I going to be? You don't know me. Don't show me. It is cute, though.
I like Princess Chelsea. She's very nice and caring more than others.
That's a lie. You don't know anything. Our Daisy is nice. In fact, she do buy me things. The other day she bought me something. She's really nice though. Which one is Chelsea? That wicked witch.
Don't say that again. Anita, trust me. Chelsea is special. I wish you would make me one of her mates.
I don't know. But you've never come close to Princess Daisy.
Good day, my princess. What are you both doing here?
Nothing, we're just talking.
Gossiping? Will you get out of here right now? Gossips. All you know how to do is to hide in one corner or the other, gossiping. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Chica, what are we going to do?
Ella, I don't know.
Hello, Chica.
Hello, my princess.
Where are you?
I'm at the backyard. Oh, with Ella. Okay, both of you should come, okay? Meet me in front of the palace.
Okay, we are coming.
She said that we should come.
My princess, you called me.
Yes.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, my princess.
How about this for you? And your friends?
Thank you, my princess. Thank you, sir. You are so caring and loving, my princess.
God will bless you.
Yes.
You will live long for me.
Amen.
The other day you bought a bag of rice for me. Today clothes for me and Ella. Thank you very much. Thank you.
God bless you, my princess.
Okay. You met my heart with all this you said. Don't worry, I promise to be kind to you, okay? Chika, I want you to meet me tomorrow.
Where will I meet you, my princess?
In my room.
Okay, thank you, my princess.
Are you serious of what you're saying? My princess Chelsea.
Chika is very lucky. One bag of rice.
Only her. One bag of rice. Now, wow.
See this one. You think I'm lying?
Hey. But wait though. How do you even get close to her?
Oh, let me and ask her.
Don't worry. It's only by the grace of God. Okay?
I'm happy for you, my dear. I'm really happy for you.
So happy.
Are you guys done with what you're doing inside?
Yes. No. Yes.
Come on, leave this place! Come on, leave here! Stupid people.
What are you doing since now? What are you doing since? Are you pregnant?
What kind of question is that?
You are tired. If it's to eat two people's food now, you open your mouth and eat.
Chika!
It's okay. Why are you dancing?
Guess what?
Talk now. You know we are not good at guessing.
You guys.
Guess what now? I beg you, talk.
Okay. Mrs. Chelsea had made me her chief maiden.
Oh my god! Are you serious?
So that is the good news. Okay.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
Me too. I'm very happy.
Yes, so my friend.
Yesterday, bag of rice.
Today.
Chief maiden. Only chicken.
Yay!
So tell me, girlfriend, do you love him? Tell me, stop.
Nika, I'm confused. Oh. That's why I called you girls here, to advise me on what to do.
Sam, confused about what?
Please tell me, what should I do?
Advice on what to do? And don't be my friend. See, my girlfriend, I want to tell you something. If you love him, go for him. It's not a problem. But girlfriend, if you don't love him, leave him. I have my reasons why I'm saying this. Because of tomorrow. I don't want the situation whereby you get married to anybody. Tomorrow you start crying. because of the mistakes you have done. No. Calm your nerves. Take your time. Go inside. Ask your heart some questions. Some reasonable, just take your time. Ask your heart some good questions before giving him the feedback.
Neka.
Please.
Neka, you're confusing me the more. So what are you saying in essence? Should I let him go or accept
No.
him?
That wasn't what she meant. What she was trying to say is, we don't want to make a mistake. You need to carefully think about it before giving him feedback to avoid regret tomorrow.
You're the one involved. I don't want you to make mistakes. Please. Marriage is not friendship. Marriage is two different things. Friendship is here, marriage is here. You're the one to face it, not me.
You girls are the best friends anybody can think of having.
Oh, my God, smoking.
You're welcome, but first, study him very closely before giving him feedback.
Anita, yeah. Are you true with what you're doing?
No, but I'll soon be true.
What are you doing, sir?
I'm playing the palace now.
You know you have to do it fast before Lolo comes back.
It's true, my dear. I'm not rushing and finish. There's no time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Whatever you're doing, and go and get me a recharge card very fast. 1,000 naira.
My princess, I can't go. I'm personal chief maiden to Princess Chelsea, and she orders me not to go on any errand to any other princess.
How dare you? Is something wrong with you? How dare you speak to me like that in this palace? Some of you have forgotten Chelsea is my younger sister. Now take this money. Take it! You have only 10 minutes to return that recharge card, otherwise you regret it. Nonsense. Where's my card? Am I not talking to someone? Where is my recharge card?
I'm sorry, my princess, I did not go.
You did not what? Kneel down there. Kneel down now! You will remain here until sundown. Anita! Anita!
Yes, my princess.
My princess, you called me. Pick that money. Okay, my princess. Run along and get me a recharge card of 1,000 naira. And as for you, you will remain here until sundown. Rubbish.
So what happened now?
Can you imagine?
What?
Isn't not Princess Adeze? She asked me to go and get a recharge card for her. And I told her Princess Chelsea asked me not to go on any errand for anybody in this palace. And she slapped me and asked me to kneel down.
Why did you neglect her? Is it not common recharge card? Why can't you go? Eh? After all, we're not serving all of them here.
Who is your own? Are you not her chief maiden?
Yes, I am.
Why did she not send you?
Oh, I'm just coming from there. I've already gotten it for her.
By the way, why did she send me at the first place? In fact, just get out of my side. Leave me. Leave me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See your face. Chica. Hello, my princess.
Are you trying to be
No, my princess. I'm under punishment here.
What?
Mrs. Adele asked me to leave over an hour ago.
Where are you now?
I'm at the backyard.
Okay, just hold on, I'm coming, okay?
Okay, my princess, I'm waiting.
You get up from there. What happened?
Thank you, my princess. My princess, it was Princess Adeze. I was washing and she asked me to go and get a recharge card for her. I told her the instruction that he gave to me. She slapped me and asked me to kneel here.
She slapped you?
Yes, my princess.
But she has her own maid, right?
Yes, my princess. Anita is her maid.
Where is Adeze?
I don't really know, but I think she's at the back one.
Okay. Continue what you're doing, okay? After that, just see me. I have something for you.
Okay, my princess. Thank you, my princess.
Adeze, how dare you? How dare you slap my chief maiden like that?
Well, excuse you? Well, since you care so much to know, she disrespected me, dear Daisy, the first princess of this kingdom.
And I am also the princess of this kingdom. I hope you've not forgotten that. Stay clear. This will be the first and last you touch my maiden, okay?
Or what? What would you do, Chelsea?
I, Chelsea, will make this palace unbearable for you.
How dare you? Chelsea, what are you doing? Do you realize this is our elder sister?
Elder sister,
for crying out loud, she is our senior. And you have to respect her in all ramifications. Please.
Our senior, that's my foot.
Stay clear. Okay? Chelsea, have you gone nuts? Did you see that? Imagine little Chelsea. Imagine Chelsea. Just calm down, okay? I'll talk to her. Calm down.
Why did you disrespect Adeze, by refusing to buy the recharge card she asked you to buy.
My queen, Princess Chelsea ordered me not to go on a long run.
Shut up! Is she the one that employed you?
No, my queen.
I can't believe this. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Do you know you're the cause of the misunderstanding between my daughters?
I'm sorry, my queen.
You had better be. Now, your responsibility, by that I mean your duty in this palace, is to serve my 5 daughters. You don't give anyone any priority treatment. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, my queen. It won't happen again.
Oh, it had better not happen again. Because if it does, you would lose your job. Alright? Now leave my sight. And do something about that tight skirt. I don't know what's on your mind. Is she trying to gain my husband's attention? Children of nowadays. I don't know what they're turning into. She wants to scatter my feelings. I heard everything both of you said. And it's totally unacceptable. Chelsea, don't you realize that Adeze is your eldest sister? Eldest! You're just the baby of the family. The youngest out of all my daughters. And you have to talk to her in that manner. I will not tolerate it. Let this be the last time I talk about this. Have I made myself clear?
But Mother...
I don't want to hear any but. If you're wrong, you apologize. Now apologize to her. Apologize.
I'm sorry.
Get out of my sight. Just leave here. Seems you've forgotten this is a royal family.
Mom, please. Just let her be, please.
No, it's not fine. Because if I don't caution her now, she will do it again. And the rest will follow suit. And I will not tolerate that.
It's okay, Mom.
Please forgive her. She's your baby sister.
Yes.
They'll always be like that once in a while. You know, it's your duty to take care of your younger ones. Okay? But you have to be strong with them. Okay?
I will, Mom.
Being Adeze is not a joke.
You're just relaxing now. Hey. Okay.
You're not serious.
Okay now. We'll see later. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Alright, girls.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Amy. Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's okay now, he has heard you. Go. You're such a nice man. I've never seen a man like you.
And you're an amazing woman. Don't worry, I can do anything for you.
Thank you very much. You can hand me over the car now, okay? I'm close to the house.
Won't it be too heavy for you?
No, I can carry it.
Alright then.
Thank you.
So when next are we seeing?
Tomorrow. Is that okay by you?
It's okay. Even this evening is okay for me. Anytime. Alright then. Bye-bye. Let me help you with that for you.
Help me, you will not kill me.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay like this.
It's okay.
Alright, bye-bye. Tomorrow then.
Oh no. Bye-bye.
You're lucky. You're really lucky.
You can say that again.
Emeka loves you. It's written all over his eyes.
My dear.
Very lucky.
My dear, he's good though. Eh? Besides, I love him now. Or don't I?
I wish you guys success, my dear friend.
My friend.
Thank you, my good friend.
Pray for me to have my own.
But I will pray for you to have to you too.
He's one.
Let's go. Emeka, thank you for the provision you bought for me today.
It's okay. You know I will do more if I have more.
Thank you very much.
But I'm just glad it to be enough for you for the meantime.
More than enough.
Don't worry with you. As I keep hustling, little by little, I'll be doing my best.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Please, I have to rush inside. You know I'm cooking.
Yes, so let me don't allow your food burn. One more hug.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Where is this girl?
No.
Yay!
I told you. I told you.
All these things for you. Emeka bought all these things for you.
Emeka on them.
Hey. Hey, God will bless him.
Amen. Nem. Emeka is so nice and caring.
If you want your name, you don't need to tell me that. It's written all over him. Do you know this kind of person, when God bless him more than this, he will give you more. In fact, he will give all the whole world.
Nah, I know.
See.
Emeka, sorry. Ew.
What happened?
I forgot. What will I offer you on them?
I'm even hungry. What did you cook?
I cooked rice.
Jollof or white?
White rice. Ofago.
Hey, what if you want your name? Will you stand up and go and get me food to eat, Jory?
I'm coming, eh?
Go. Leave this thing. Go. Go now.
You, eh?
Go. This food is for me. Whether you like it.
Hello.
We still time.
Hope it's sweet. Hey. Water for you. See your life. Is this how you serve your husband? Neka. You are not my husband. You are my best friend.
Will you stand up and get me water?
I'm coming.
Naughty girl. My friend, you can cook very well. You see?
Excuse me, pretty ladies. No, I mean you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Abdul.
Okay.
She's my friend.
Good afternoon.
Well, my name is Mike. I just came in from Malaysia 2 days ago. Also from the neighboring village, Izawa.
Oh, Izawa. It's close.
Oh, you know that?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
So what can I do for you?
It's not something we can discuss here. Can we go somewhere else? Or better still, your place, so that at least I can know where you stay.
No, can't go to my place.
Why?
Because we cannot go to my place.
Well, it's okay, I understand. So, tell me, where can we meet again?
Here is okay.
Like, right here?
Yes.
It's cool. So, what time?
Exactly this time.
The same time?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Can I have your number?
I don't have a phone.
You're kidding me, right? Huh? Fine, I understand you don't want to give me your number, but you can't be lying to me. You don't have a phone.
I don't have a phone. One nigga.
Yeah, there's no phone.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. I'll be on my way now. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Excuse me. Can I ask you one question?
Sure, go on.
Please, can I come with my friend?
That one?
Yes.
Well, it's okay. It's all good, okay? Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
He said you should come with me.
Yes.
He's handsome. So, look at his pimple.
Nigga. We're not tripping for him.
It's fine, no.
Let's go, Joe. Nigga, I'm not going to
serious.
Hey, today was fun. You two have seen. He took us out. And guess what? He promised to come do it again tomorrow.
Adobe, in whatever you are doing, be very careful.
Careful? Careful of what?
Emeka, of course.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be careful. Any other thing?
The way I'm seeing you, Adobe, seems like you're beginning to have feelings for this guy.
Neka, who sees good thing and says no to it? I bet you won't say no. Neka, will you say no? I bet you won't.
See, I am not there. I am not there at all.
It's okay. I'm just saying my mind, nothing more. Just like she said, be very careful. I better take my leave. See you later, girlfriend.
You don't even ask me to see you off.
If you like, this one you're so excited.
Yes, baby, I'm out.
Let's go.
Nah, man, he's not seen this kind of love before.
Easy! Look at her.
Do you know you're so beautiful?
And you're handsome too. Very handsome.
Wow. I blessed the day I met you.
Oh, I'm flattered.
If I forgot, I got a gift for you.
Gifts?
Yeah, and I know you'll surely like it.
One of the kind of things that I will surely like. Okay.
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Oh, come on. Close your eyes.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Ta-da! Open it. I got your phone.
Hey, baby, thank you. This is lovely.
I know you like it.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go somewhere else and chill off, you know?
With this, I can go anywhere with you.
Okay.
Times you promise to come home, you don't get to come. You just keep failing appointments and missing out. What is the problem?
I'm really very sorry. Just that I've been busy lately.
It's alright, dear, I understand. I was beginning to feel very hot and bad. I thought maybe I've done something wrong.
You haven't there.
It's alright, thank you. Please, can you get me a cup of water? Let me just drink.
Cup of water?
Yes.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Please excuse me. Adobe. 1 minute, please. phone. It looks expensive. How did you get it?
My uncle that I told you that I came back some days ago. He gave it to me.
Okay, he bought it for you.
Yes.
It's fine.
Thank you.
It even has a camera. It's fine. So you can actually snap yourself. It's a fine one. Big. But it's actually big, though. It's big. Money is good, though. It's fine. You can actually get the water for me now. My mind has calmed down.
I'm coming.
Look at food. Just snap yourself. Hi. Oh, one is poverty. See poverty. Thunder will fire you. Poverty is like a joke.
So you girls did not tell me that my costume is beautiful. Oh, I can introduce you to my tailor, you know. She's very good at her work, trust me. And who is she? Who did it? Her name is Nkechi Nadi.
Wow.
She's very good at her work.
You know what? I can't wait to get married. So that you girls will
And
come
it's
like this.
Is my costume not okay?
It's fine. Don't worry. On my wedding day, you're going to dress like this.
Wedding? You're dreaming. Excuse me, please. Can you imagine? What is with you and Mary?
I want to get married.
Chelsea! Come back here. Are you... Can't you see you step on me and walk away? Are you blind? How dare you step on me and walk away? Why did you keep your leg there in the first place? Can you talk to me like that? How dare you slap me? Chelsea! What's wrong with you? Come on! Chelsea! Little Chelsea, I cannot even get my girl. What do you mean? Stand back at me. Okay, you get it right. Don't press me back. Please. I will slap you, Chelsea. Don't get out of here. It's okay. Chelsea. Oh my God. Come on. Little Chelsea. Oh God. Chelsea. Oh.
What is happening, sir? Do you know the actual problem between two of them? Adis and Chase.
Johnson, you tell me. Let me make the year now.
Every time. Why can't their mother find the particular problem?
See, let me tell you. My work in this palace is to secure the palace. Not to be separating fight or to be doing this and that. So if you ask me, I will me go ask.
But why can't they use mouth to they talk? Why can't they use people? Be like John Cena and the Basin. I'm sorry, Undertaker.
If you're a bad person, though. But wait first. The thing is that all what you are saying now is not my concern, it's not my business. If they like, let them kill themselves. My own is that I'm here in this palace to secure this palace, to watch over everybody. You understand? Yes. But they are royal family, so it's not my business.
Are you hearing it? Talk small. That is the problem.
No problem.
I wish their mother will come just get it. They carry a phone for like that. When you go and check.
Oh yeah, no problem.
If they are fighting, they can who chase, you know that game, you know. God killing in a bomb.
You're just a fool! Stupid girl! Chelsea! If you think you are one of a woman, just come outside here! Guy on face to face! I'm sorry! Chelsea! Your eldest sister
Choribarani! Imagine! Chelsea! Long weeks to fight the elder sister. Are you mad? Wait. Chelsea! If they leave you and Adeze, can you fight her? Her! Oh, you've grown wings. You're not a proud woman. You not talk back at your sister, Abi? Nobody should blame me in this case, oh. Nobody should blame me. Because both of you don't even understand my anger. Oh, you don't even understand my anger. So don't blame me yet.
What's your problem, Chelsea? Or is it because everybody is keeping quiet? I mean, why must still be always you and our Daisy all the time in this house? Or is it because our father, the king, is not around? Is that why you're misbehaving already?
Oh! If father is around or not, if I'm angry, I will expose it, okay? And that is final.
Look at Chelsea!
Chelsea! Don't you ever say such one again. Never! You've grown wings. Big woman.
You are the last
big woman, clap for yourself.
You should know that already.
Clap for yourself.
Chelsea! Can you imagine?
Clap for yourself.
Chelsea! I think Chelsea, come back here! Mommy's overpacking me. Mommy's overpacking.
Ada. It's okay. Ada, listen. You need to calm down. I know you're bitter, but you just have to calm down, okay? Listen, no matter what Chelsea has done to you, you have to forgive her. She's your kid sister. Please. Yes. We still regard the fact that you are elder sister, okay? We are sorry. Please, on her behalf, I'm begging.
You know, Chelsea is she's a stubborn girl. I've tried severally to talk to her, but she wouldn't listen to me. Please, just forgive her.
Of the truth, if you ask me, I don't know what has come over Chelsea.
Yes.
But you know, she's still our kid sister. So please, whatever she has done to you on her behalf, we are sorry. Please forgive her.
Yeah.
One thing I know for sure is that very soon she will come back to her senses and realize that you are the Ada of this kingdom and she will respect you as such.
We know, it's okay. You will not kill her. She's still your sister.
She's our sister.
If she grows wings, I will cut it off.
Okay, kill me in place of her. Kill me. Kill me now. It's okay. Come on. Come on, girl. Love you. Thank you. It's okay. You're so wonderful. Okay. Why are you crying? Oh. Adamo. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go. I'm drinking anymore. Oh my gosh, she's actually getting dry again. Let's go. Maybe I'll start with it.
What even gave Chelsea the audacity to talk to people like this and like that?
I'm not even sure that girl knows that Adeze is older than her. I so much hate that girl. God!
My sister, I'm confused though. I am very confused. I wonder how she managed to challenge her elder sister like that.
She don't have respect at all.
I wish I'm Princess Adeze. I will beat the hell out of her. Exactly. You will not be, and you will never be her.
So you girls are here gossiping about my madam, Princess Chelsea.
Yes.
Don't worry. I'll go and tell her everything you girls are saying about her.
It's the bodies.
What are you still waiting for?
Go!
Go and tell her. Come and take transport. Go and tell her. Come and take transport.
See this one though.
Don't mind this girl.
Don't worry. Chika will soon look like Chelsea very soon.
Don't mind.
Now tell me, Chelsea, what is going on? I don't like what is happening. How can both of you be quarreling? She's your elder sister. You have to learn to forgive her no matter what she does. If I may ask, Adeze, what exactly is the problem?
Cannot say. Chelsea is here. Ask her. Because I'm sure I've not offended her in any way. Ask her.
Chelsea, Mom, I'm your mother. You need to talk to me.
Mom, Adele said she did nothing to me. No problem. But Mom, you see Adeze, I will not give her
I don't have your time. When I have your time, I will let you know. Mom, no problem.
Chelsea! Chelsea! Chelsea!
Mom, did you see that? Did you see that? This was exactly what I was telling you about. Imagine Chelsea walking out on us while you're still talking to her. Can you imagine that, Mom?
Adeze, you need to take it easy. Chelsea is your younger sister. And please, next time, don't lay your hand on her.
I've not hit her before. No, I haven't. But if she dares insult me in this palace again, I will beat her black and blue. Trust me, Mom.
She's your younger sister. I don't want all the shouting and rancor in the palace. We don't need it. We're supposed to be an example to the people out there. And communicate with each other.
But what how? What Chelsea?
I don't want to hear this misunderstanding in the palace. Will you stop sweeping that nonsense?
Look at my princess.
So, all of you are here gossiping about me, right?
No, we ain't gossiping. Shut up. We did not say anything, my princess.
Hey, you left your responsibilities to talk about me, right?
We did not say anything. No.
No. Put there. I heard everything. All right. Get down on your knees.
On your knees, Oya.
Immediately.
On your knees. I said immediately. Oh, she's out.
Chika, how many latches do you think they deserve?
5. No, 10.
Hey, Chika.
10.
Chika,
lie down.
Chika, lie down. Please forgive me. Please.
Okay.
Get out.
So, all of you, you are trying me. You think I am your mate?
My princess.
Okay. Shoot. You think I'm your mate, right?
No.
Come. Let me help you. Don't worry, I cannot do it. Get out of my sight. Get out. You please now. You right? Mom. Please I said get out! Shift. Nonsense. Dismiss here! I don't want to see you!
So guys, I need to go to the boutique tomorrow so I can change up my wardrobe. You know my clothes are getting old. And I believe you guys are coming with me tomorrow.
Well, only on one condition.
Ah, Mabel. What is it? Okay, tell me, what is it?
Fine. That you're going to be buying for us exactly everything you'll be buying for yourself.
Mabel, why are you this greedy? It's just shopping, not for you.
It's not easy to come with you. Come on.
What is it? Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. I promise. I am going to get some for you, okay? But not all. Please.
All.
Okay.
Deal.
It's okay. Angel, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm with you girls. It's just that for me to follow you out, you know, you're going to buy, you're going to spend. I hope you know that.
It's okay. You all are coming with me tomorrow. Is that a deal? Yes.
Deal.
Thank you. Can I have a high five? All right.
Yeah, deal.
I really enjoyed your company. Anytime you come around like this, I feel very excited.
Thank you.
I hope you come back on Sunday as promised.
Yes, I will.
Sure.
I will.
Alright then. So tell me, what will I prepare for you? I want to make something special for you. Seriously.
Anything you love, I will love it too.
Really?
Yes.
Alright then, on Saturday I'll go to the market and get some stuff.
I have to run along now because my mother will soon be back from the market.
Oh.
I need to make her food.
Okay. It's alright. Alright, let me don't keep you long. Okay. Alright, so you need to run.
Bye-bye.
See you on Sunday.
What's the meaning of this? Huh? You lied to me you were at home and you were not.
Baby, I'm sorry. I want to give my neighbor something. I'm really sorry, baby.
I don't like this, okay? I mean, you can't keep me here waiting all day.
Baby. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know I can always forgive you because I love you.
Thank you, baby.
So, where's your mom?
My mother went to the market.
Oh.
I believe she will be on her way coming.
That's cool.
Alright, baby. Let's go inside.
Okay. Alright.
If you think anything for me.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Woo! So, baby, what will I offer you?
Baby, I'm cool. I'm fine. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm very sure, okay? Just that the way that... Oh, your mom is back.
Mama, welcome. How are you, my son?
I'm fine. Welcome, man. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, I hope you got something for me.
Yes, I got sweet orange for you.
It's okay. Welcome.
I'm coming.
Oh.
What is it now? Why are you staring at my mother like that?
Oh, your mom is a nice woman, and she got a lot of things on the chest.
Yeah.
You know, oh, no, come on, it's normal. You see, in Malaysia, we see a lot of booties. Huh? No, come on, it's not compared to yours. Look at you, looking soft, looking good.
My son, what the orange is sweet.
Mom, you can say that again. It's so sweet.
What is your name?
Mama, my name is Mike. Mike Okonkwo.
Are you from this village?
Not at all. I am from the neighboring village, Izawa. Though I came in from Malaysia.
Malaysia? Yes, I'm going to Malaysia. Papa, me go. How? You're welcome, my son. Just enjoy yourself. Let me go inside and get something.
No problem, man. Thank you very much.
Take care of him.
Your mom is a nice woman.
Yes, she is.
Hope you're not more jealous.
See the way you're looking orange like a village man.
Do you know I can lick orange like this in Malaysia? They will so laugh at you. Jeez! I miss the oranges. Yes.
Oh.
Mommy, I'll have to be on my way now, okay? But where's your mom?
Mama, come. Mike wants to go.
have to build my room. But don't worry, okay? I gave your daughter some money to give to you.
Money for me?
Yes.
Hey, Nopambo. Oh, thank you very much, my son. God bless you for me.
Amen.
You're always welcome here, anytime, any day.
Alright, ma, I'll have to leave now, okay? Baby.
Wanna see him off?
Okay.
Don't bother yourself.
Honey. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more.
Okay, alright, I'll have to do it now, okay? I'll see you soon. Alright, bye.
My daughter, that young man that just left here now, what is he coming for? Is he coming for relationship or marriage?
Mama, I don't know, but I'm still watching. Meanwhile, Mama, do you know he's actually the person that got me?
Look what? But I want to ask you a question.
Okay, Mama.
What if he asks for your hand in marriage? Will he accept you?
Mama, stop now. He hasn't said that.
What if he says so?
I'll marry him. Who will see that young, handsome man and say no to him? Mama, a Malaysian guy for that man. I'll marry him.
I see one of my daughter Bonish.
Mama, I am not blind. I can see very, very well. Remember I gave you a promise? I was going to surprise you. That will make you smile. Think I'll stop. I'll make you smile. Hey, Mama. By the time I'm done, you will smile well. Don't worry.
Thank you, Mom. Possible. Oh, okay, more.
Ada. Adobe. And let's just wait and hear me out, even if it's just 1 minute, please. Adobe, please now. Why are you ignoring me?
Hey, Mecca, why you pestering my life everywhere? So I can't walk around in this village without you stopping me at every junction you see me. Oh, Guinea Camry, Guinea. Oh, Guinea.
Why are you doing this to me? I thought you said you loved me as a player.
Jidekwe, your love. Please, hold that love there. Emeka, I want to go to school. Will you wait for me to finish?
Yes, Adobe. I can wait for you to go to school, finish and come back. I am ready. In fact, I can even train you in school, if possible.
You train me. Where will you get the money to do that? Emeka, please stop your daydreaming, okay? Wake up from your slumber. As in,
Alright. I am ready to sell my father's only land, the one he gave to me. I can sell it and train you. Go to school.
Emeka, stop all this nonsense before you start selling your father's land. My mother is still alive. She's healthy and hearty. She can pay my school fees, Emeka. Because go enough of all this rubbish.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me?
Doing what to you? You're the one hurting yourself. I don't have your time. Excuse me.
Ada, what you are doing to me is not fair. Ada, please just wait. Let me tell you this last thing. I've not done what I was going to say. Jude, I don't know what is wrong with my friend Adobe. She's been acting up lately. Adobe now avoids me like someone avoids evil. I don't understand. She just changed. What? Okay, look, today I saw her on the road and I was calling her. You won't believe that Adobe ignored me until I had to meet up with her pace. When I got there, I began to say what I wanted to say. This girl just ignored me and walked away.
What? You don't mean it? What did she say is her problem?
She said that she wants to go to school. That if I love her enough, I should wait for her to go to school and come back.
Well, anyway, I think it's a good idea. Besides, you know, she's still a young girl and she really wants to go to school. Okay.
I am not disputing the fact that she needs to go to school. In fact, I am supportive of it. Do you know I love her very much?
Yeah, indeed.
You can attest to that.
Indeed, I know.
I'm ready to wait for her to go to school and come back. Adobe is my everything. She means everything to me.
I know indeed. See, we just need to keep our fingers crossed and watch. You know, whatsoever is yours was definitely be yours.
Okay. Most times it is risky to keep fingers crossed.
No, you don't.
Because while you're crossing your finger, another man will just collect your own thing and just get out.
Hey bro, don't go that way, please. I know she loves you so much and you know that too. Didn't you get it in details? Cheer up, bro. See, you need to give me one bottle for the kind of advice I give. You know I'm always there. You drink on credit today. Come on, you know that. Okay, come.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you girls?
Fine. Adam, I want to quickly rush to the market. Please remember to clean all the house. Also remember to warm that soup. Okay, I'll come back soon.
Bye-bye. I have my own name.
Adobe, what is your problem? Tell me, what's your problem? Talk to me, I'm your friend.
What's my problem? How? I don't understand.
Why are you giving Emeka attitude? Why?
Are you blind? You burisi. Can't you see that I don't love him again? Eh?
I know it. I know where this is coming from. Is Mike right? You're not seeing money. You're forgetting about everything just like that. Hi, Adobe. I want to tell you something. Don't forget, tomorrow is pregnant. Echidimi. Biko.
Adobe, this is unfair. This is not nice. You've forgotten all the good times you shared together. This is bad.
Biko,
well, I am not done. It's Emeka we are talking about. Emeka, your love. You've forgotten everything already just because of money. This is not fair. Because of money. You met someone that came from Malaysia. You've forgotten everything about Emeka. Just like that. Adobe, this is not fair.
Because enough of all this. This is my life for crying out loud.
Whether I ruin my life or I don't, it's my business.
Really?
Yes, it is. Emeka this, Emeka that. What is all this? I don't want him anymore.
And if you so much care about this Emeka, why not go and give him yourself? Give him yourself. Are you married, Mba? Are you? Mba. Carry yourself and give to Emeka. As for me, I am done. I'm tired of all this. Even you, when I was even expecting to support me. Here you are. Emeka. Ah!
Hold on. Is that what you have to say? No problem. God knows I've said my mind. But I want to beg you for something. Don't hurt him. He doesn't deserve this from you. Please. Emeka is dying emotionally. Please.
He can die for all I care. What? Yes. He lives, he dies. Totally his choice.
Let him die if you have to die.
Adobe. Yes, I am Adobe. I won't be Chinwe. This is a Malaysian guy for crying out loud. Let's talk about something else now. My guy just gave me money to buy cream. Let's talk about my cream now. And I am going to Malaysia. I am going to Japan. But I am not going to the egg. Enjoy the what's good?
Adobe. Adobe.
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma.
Who are you?
Well, my name is Emeka. I am your daughter's friend.
Adobe's friend. What kind of friend are you to her? Is it a boyfriend or just friend?
Well, Mama, I will not want to lie to you. I'm actually her lover. And I want to marry her.
Marry what? Anyway, what do you do for a living?
Well, for now, nothing.
Nothing. And you want to marry my daughter?
Well, ma, please extend my regards to her when she comes back.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You're not doing anything and they want to marry my daughter. Takwanonge. Come here. Someone came to look for you today. Me? No, me. He said his name is Emeka.
Oh, what is all this now? Hey, what have I done to Emeka? Why is he causing me all this embarrassment now? Eh?
He says he's your love and he wants to marry you.
God forbid. Mama, it's not possible. I cannot marry him. Oh.
Please, Nim, just do me one favor. Next time you see Emeka in this house, Mama, push him. You may not even hear me. Why is he? Mama, why am I? Pour him enough water, Mama, Pico, don't fail this in your mouth for me. Don't fail to do this favor for me. Pico. Can you want now? Okay. In fact, I don't want to see his poverty legs here again. Please. I don't want anybody that will stop my Malaysia Ogo Malaysia to come to this place. Because I don't want to lose Mike as my in-law. If you know what to do now, you do it on time. Please.
Mama, that's no problem. Trust your daughter now. I'm not going to tell you.
Mom, is anybody home?
Oh yeah. You again?
Mama,
what do you want from my daughter?
Mama, it has not come to shouting. Mama, I want you to understand that I love your daughter sincerely.
Jenny?
She means the whole world to me.
Love, I've warned you, young man. I don't want to see you anywhere around this family again or anywhere around my daughter.
Mama, you don't know. I might be that wonderful in-law you've been waiting for.
In-law, Gwegeba. Sorry, don't worry. You know women and their voice.
I'll wait here. I'll wait.
Idiot. You want to marry my daughter? Let me see you anywhere around this place again.
Good afternoon.
Emeka, what's the meaning of this? Why are you blocking my way? I've told you countless times, Emeka. Stay off my path. I'm no longer interested in this relationship. Or don't you get it?
Adaobi, have you suddenly forgotten all the good times we shared together?
You and me? Emeka. It did a metasm of me, Emeka. Leave me alone. I'm tired of all this. Please, get off my path because this water is really way too heavy.
I am not leaving. What is all this? What is all this, Adaobi? Is it a crime to love you?
Yes! It is a crime, Emeka. I don't need your love. It is a crime because I don't want you anymore. Leave me alone, Emeka. I won't say this again.
I'm sorry, I cannot leave.
Okay, you can't.
Yes.
You cannot leave. No problem. What phone? Adaobi!
Sorry.
She brought me water.
Sorry. Sorry, please forgive her.
Adaobi! Adaobi! What's the meaning of that nonsense you just did?
What was that nonsense you just did there? Why would you insult him like that?
I don't care. Why would he block me that way?
This is the baker we're talking about. I remember vividly you once loved him. So what happened? This is not fair. Be careful of what you wish yourself. Oh! Now I know. It's because of Mike, right? Yes!
Nneka. Please, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't bring Mike into this. Okay? Remember vividly, I once loved Emeka. Yes, I once loved him. That was then, not now. I don't love him again. Don't you get it?
You should be careful of what you do. Just be careful. He doesn't deserve this from you.
Can we change topic, please?
fair.
Neka, what wrong have I committed? Why is your friend treating me like this? What she's doing to me is wrong. It's not fair.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about what happened yesterday. See, don't worry. I'm going to talk to her. And I believe she'll come back to her right senses. Please.
It's alright, please. Please talk to her on my behalf. You can attest to the fact that I love her so much. And I can even give my life for her.
I know. I understand everything. Just like I said, I promise I'm going to talk to her. Don't worry. Just go home and have some rest. Just go.
It's alright then. Let me take your word for it. Thank you very much.
Everything will be fine.
And God bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you, eh?
Bye.
Look at you, bad girl. So they say village girls know no shit.
With you, I need to learn a lot.
Adobe! What are you doing here and who is this man?
Excuse me? Honey, who the fuck is this?
The guy I told you that I've been disturbing my life.
Oh, the motherfucker you said you put water on the other day?
Yes, honey, that's him.
So, what is he still doing here? I thought he said when a woman says no to a man's request, he bounces.
Oh God, I am not talking to you.
Oh, you shut up when I talk. Nigga, you're talking to me right now. I mean, she says she doesn't love you, so why not bounce?
Tell him I don't love you. Emeka, can't you see?
Now listen and listen good. I don't want to see you anywhere around my woman anymore. Because the next time I do, nigga, you're going to be sorry for your ass. Okay?
And that'll be so because of money. Eh? So this is the reason for your recent change of attitude towards me. Don't forget to. Do not forget that nobody knows tomorrow.
Oh, nigga, shut the fuck up and go make some real money if you're a real man.
Oga, I'm not talking to you. I don't even know you. Let me talk to the person I know.
You never told this dude I had a gun in my car. Nigga, get out of here.
Go
now. Change my mind.
Get
the fuck out of here! Stop changing my mind, idiot!
Baby, no! Leave him! Poverty. Look at him. You see the poverty is written all over.
So I blood off your ass right now!
You want me to continue to die in poverty? Waka. Baby, come, let's continue. This guy.
I mean, what the fuck are you thinking? Look at how short you are. Look at that tall. How do you go in there? I'm not finding this funny, okay? You really know how to tell me, okay? Now get to the car, let's go. I swear I'm gonna bust your head right now!
Chai. Emeka, you will make money. You will make this money whether the devil likes it or not. Look at the insult. You're a fool! Idiot! Your mates that went to Malaysia are coming back with Range Rovers, but you can't this nonsense to come and intimidate me. You will see what I will buy! Idiot! Try that nonsense again.
Mama, I've heard all you said, okay? But I want to tell you that I'll be traveling back to Malaysia in 2 weeks' time. There's a business I want to run over there, and I'm going to stay for 6 months. But don't worry, okay? As soon as I get back from Malaysia, I'll come marry your daughter, okay? I'll do all the necessary things. Mama, I want you to know that I love your daughter so much, and I won't want to disappoint her.
No problem, my son. God will see you through, and I can't wait for you to come back and marry my daughter.
Mama, I promise you that. I'll do that once I get back. Okay? Oh, come on.
Baby, you won't go and I'm missing you.
Don't worry, like I told your mom, okay? As soon as I come back, I'll come back. Mama, I would have even taken her along with me, but due to wonderful things, okay? But as soon as we get married, I'll take her over with me, okay? And then you won't have to miss me again, okay? Alright, Mama, I have to run along now, okay?
Baby, always call me, okay?
Sure, I'll call you from time to time, okay?
Okay, baby.
Alright, take care.
Don't worry, we will come back for you.
Yes, Mama needs you now, okay? Just stay with her. I'll call you from time to time, okay?
Please always do, okay?
I'll call you, okay? I love you.
I love you too, baby.
It's okay now, it's okay. It's coming back.
What's good about your pleasantries now? Tell me. Emeka, as you can see, I've moved on. Emeka, na, go and look for money. Ego na, ego ibo makamma, Oya makakwano, mabone batego na. How you make money? Come, I don't need to be waiting for you. Listen.
Okay, let me open it. Sister, what is the problem now?
Okay, I don't know.
What's the problem? Wow, it's so hot. What is wrong with the car? I don't know. Why don't you call your mechanic man or something? Oh. Number is switched off. What? Oh, geez. No. How do we get out of here? Sister, what are we going to do now? I don't know. Must it be now? Oh, gosh.
The sun is burning. Huh?
Sis, try it.
Still switched off.
Oh God, I'm so tired and hungry.
Good afternoon. What is the problem with your car?
I don't know. My car just broke down. And...
My princess. How? Nice meeting you.
Hey! What? Who's this?
What? What is the problem? We are here stranded looking for somebody to help us, and you are here stretching this your God-forsaken hands on us to shake? Please, spare this your hands, okay? We don't care for this.
Ah, young man, are you blind? Or even if you're blind, can't you see that we're not here for such rubbish? For goodness sake, we are here looking for a way out. All you could do is to stretch your filthy hands for pleasantries. Something must be wrong with you up here.
I'm sorry.
Will you get out of this place? What rubbish! Can you imagine?
Princess, the car is okay, like, can go and start it.
Oh, you mean I should start it? Okay.
Start it! Now off it!
Is there anything wrong again?
No.
Oh, thank you
Everything's
so
okay now.
much.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
My name is Kevin Johnson.
Kelvin Johnson. Wow, are you a mechanic? You just fixed my car.
No, I'm not a mechanic. I'm a student. This is my 300 level.
Oh.
I study mechanical engineering.
Wow. It's a pleasure. My name is Princess Candy, and these are my sisters. They're from the royal family.
I know my princess. I know my princess. Nice to meet you.
It's fine.
Yes.
So tell me, how much is your pay? Let me get it.
No. What? Sorry, I don't need your money.
Kelvin, you just did a very big favor for me, so why? Let me just pay you.
No, my princess. No. My princess, no. I'm sorry, I don't need your money. I don't need it.
Okay, so tell me, what do you want? What do you want me to do for you? What? Are you stupid? How dare you utter such rubbish? Do you believe I'm a princess? Huh?
I know my princess. Please, what I need from you, just pretend I'm your boyfriend. Just pretend. Just show the world I'm your boyfriend. Make me popular. Understand? You know.
What the hell do you think he is?
Just for 6 months, please.
Fuck.
For 6 months. Please. Please.
Okay, fine. 3 months. Deal?
3 months.
Deal?
Can you imagine? Fine, perfect.
No sex, no kiss, we are just friends.
Beautiful. I'm good to go. Thank you so much. Can I have your number? Just please. Thank you. I'll call you. Just go. Yeah? Can you hear my sheets? 3 months. Who are you?
Good day, Chief Guard. Good day.
Who are you? Who you be talking now? I'm looking for Princess.
You are looking for Princess?
With this nigga. Let me just.
What is happening? Who is there?
Go back. Are you stupid? Is this man, this hungry man? I don't know him, sir.
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Ah.
It's okay. Mr. Man, who are you and what are you looking for?
My name is Kelvin. I'm looking for Princess Candy. Yes.
Candy?
Yes. She's the one that called me, so I should come and see her.
No, it's okay. Go on. I'll go get her for you. It's okay. Don't need to come in.
Hope all your mates there for this in the day.
Open this gate!
Open it! Where did they go there?
What is it? Why are you dressed? Fuck. Wait, I'm coming. Let me drive out.
So girls, thank you so much for calling, because I was thinking of going to the salon to fix my hair before you girls called and we had exams. Like, I'm super excited. Thanks girls, you guys are the best.
Am I not okay? You asked me to go and pull up the dress, so this one is okay now.
Kelvin, you're looking perfect. Yes, at least it's better than what those rags you brought to my house. What is that?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, you always complain too much.
You guys, after this, you just go to the salon. Yeah, sure.
Look at them, they're laughing at me.
And so what?
Is it because of
Am I complaining?
If in my dreams someone tells me that the great princess of this kingdom will be going out with this fool, I won't believe it.
You.
My princess. My princess. You know you're from a royal home. And he's not your type. He's not. I mean, people are looking up to you as a princess. God.
And you, hey, you, young man, I'm talking to you. Can't you see that she's not your type? Can't you see? Ha!
She's a princess for crying out loud. And from a royal family. Get out from this place. Leave here. I mean now. Look at his trousers.
Deba, hold it there. Who are you referred to as young man? My boyfriend. Are you mad? Are you okay? Now listen and listen good. I don't want to see you girls around me. Never!
Kevin is not your type. It's not your type. Can't you talking? Are you talking? Let's go to our business. Okay, seriously, we're telling you.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. He's my boyfriend. Is he your boyfriend? I love him with all my heart. Leave him alone.
I love him. He's my boyfriend.
Come in, let's just get out of there, please. Enter the car, let's get out. Candy, what is your problem? What is wrong with you? Why are you bent on bringing shame and disgrace to our family? Tell me, what did you see in that mechanic of a guy? I want to know. You left all the able-bodied young men in this village for that tout. What is wrong with you? Candy, have you forgotten whom you are? I mean, what has come over you? Oh my God, what did you even see in... What do you see in him? Oh, do you really want to know what I see in him?
We want to know.
Tell us.
Yeah. Tell us.
I see love.
Really?
Mabel! Will you shut up? Will you shut your dirty mouth up? What is wrong with you? Listen, you will not bring shame to this family. Do you understand me? Put yourself together. I don't want to ever see you with that guy again. Do you understand me? What rubbish.
Do you know what?
Angel, try and understand. Here.
Mr. Mechanic, or whatever you call yourself, I have a word of advice or warning for you. Henceforth, I do not want to see you anywhere near my sister again. Okay? She's not your class. I mean, you can go for your class, why? But my sister, no. Right?
I love her.
How dare you talk about love? I'm talking to you here, you open your dirty mouth to talk about love? You know what? Anywhere or any angle that I see you near my sister again, I will kill you and use the power of royalty to cover it up.
Kelvin, for the past few days now you've been avoiding me. What have I done to you?
What have I done? Just leave me. Leave me. Your sister threatened my life. She even slapped me and pushed me down.
What?
Yes. She said that I should detach away from you. That she don't want to see me close to you again. That she's going to kill me. So I'm just being careful of myself. That's
my sister?
Yes.
Which of my sister? Kelvin! this I'm hearing?
What nonsense, cuz. I'm confused.
Really? You're confused? So you went to threaten my boyfriend Kelvin, isn't it? Angel, you promised to kill him!
Yes, we did. Candy, are you okay? What is wrong with you? He's not your type, okay?
You can imagine.
I don't know. Is there anything behind this that we know nothing of? Is there anything behind it?
It's not your fault. Trust me. It's not.
Now you listen and listen good. Both of you. If anything should happen to my boyfriend, trust me, I will send both of you to jail. And you'll stay there to the rest of your lives.
You wish. You wish.
What nonsense!
What a wish. Can you imagine this thing? She just insulted me right now.
That's
because of that riffraff?
Because of that riffraff,
she's telling me to shut up like I should shut
She
up.
has grown wings. Like, no. Candy
Let
has
me see
grown
that dirty boy in this
The
house.
guy, I will deal with him. Don't bother. I'll personally deal with him.
Can you imagine?
I've been trying to call your number, but... Kelvin!
Yeah. It's me.
You're looking so...
Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, baby.
You're so cute.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You're looking so good.
Thank you.
Come on, get to the car. Let's just go somewhere.
Take me away.
Of course.
Candy, hurry up and let's go. Let me pull her already. Please,
Yeah, hello Angel, how are you? I'm at the church room, just seeing your sisters. They're just standing there looking at me. No, I am not looking at them. They're just staring at me. Okay. Where are you? Oh, can she come over there? Okay, I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay, love you.
Why are you pretending? Stop. I don't understand it. Pretend as if you're not looking at me. I don't have all that time. You're a princess. Believe us much. Let's get out of here. Pretending. How's that? It's all fine. Pretending. I don't get you. Let's get to the car.
Thank you so much for making me popular. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
We just started. Okay, fine. You're welcome. But you know we are avoiding something.
Which is? We kept to it. Yes, we do.
The thing is that I've not really seen a man like you. You're such a strong and courageous man. I really like you so much.
And you're beautiful. And you're strong too. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so handsome. You're so You're so
Remember, no sex, no kicks. Oh, I forgot it. It's okay. Yes.
Okay, fine. Forgive my manners. I was just being carried away. I'm sorry.
I understand. So tell me. What is in your mind?
Lots of things. I'm in love. I love him so much. I love his skin color. I love his eyes. I love the way he hugs me. I love the way he talks to me. I love Kelvin.
You love who? My sister is in love. One of the say shall never end. But wait a minute. I hope you've not started falling for Kelvin.
I don't know. I just love him. I love him. I love him.
That stupid boy.
Oh, no.
It's not possible.
She can't do that.
Like seriously, like is she joking? Is she dreaming? No. A royal blood in love with a child? Like is she alright? I don't know. I don't know what. Love it.
I want to fall in love too. I want to be in love too.
Don't you? Don't discuss. Do you know it might not be Kelvin? Is she mad?
I blessed today. I know that we are separated today. Today is the last day. I thank you once again for making me famous. It's not easy. I thank you. Okay, God bless you.
You're welcome. You know I can do anything. I can do anything. But I myself, I'm so confused. I'm short of words. I don't even know where to start from. Like, I am speechless. Yes, I can do anything you want me to do.
Okay. If you're speechless, if you don't know what to say, let me take my pen.
Kelvin. See, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. What is it?
I'm in love with you.
You're in love with me?
Yes, I am in love with you. See, trust me. I can die for you. Just tell me my car, money, I will give you anything you want. Anything you desire for. Trust me, I'm going to give you. I will give you anything you want. I'm a princess. I have all it takes. I have the whole world. I will give you anything you want.
Kanzi, I'm sorry. I can't love you because you're not my type. Because you're not my. You're too small. You're too small. I can't date you. Go and look for your type. Small? Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm not my type. I'll stop.
Kelvin, I'm not your type. Kelvin, Kelvin! I'm not your type. Kelvin! Oh no! I'm not your type! I'm not your type! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you, Kelvin!
Why are you ignoring me?
Kelvin, what have I done to you?
What is it?
Why are you running away from me? What have I done?
Why are you pestering my life? I've told you that I cannot date you. I don't love you. You cannot walk. Can't you see? You're too small.
Yes. Me? Kevin, are you stupid? So you're this ungrateful? After all I've done for you, you have the guts to say I'm not your type?
Shut up.
Are you this wicked?
You shut up. Listen to me and listen very good. This will be the first and last time I will see you pestering my life or following me.
Me?
Excuse me.
Kevin, it's me.
Stop following me, please.
I will follow you!
And it cannot work. You're just following me, just disgracing me. What's all this?
Please, I love you so much. I have this passion for you. I can die for you. I can do anything you want me to do. I love you. Please.
Stop, just stop. Stop. What's all this nonsense? Eh? I have to go.
Kevin, I have passion for you.
See, sir, this is Henry, my boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Henry, this is my elder sister.
Hi, Henry. You're welcome to our royal home.
Thank you.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
So, Henry, I hope you're taking good care of my sister here.
Why not? She's nice to me.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sure she is.
Of course. Henry, what do you care for?
Anything. I'm good to go.
Please, sister, take care of him, okay? Keep him busy, I'm coming.
I will. So, Henry. Sorry, let me just see.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, only that. Do you know you're very handsome?
Thank you, my princess. And you're beautiful too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you too.
You're welcome.
Henry, why don't you give me your number? Let's talk later.
Collect it from your sister. She'll give it to you.
Please, don't be a boy. Give me your number. I'll talk to you later. Come on. Take it.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
That's it.
I'll definitely call you in the evening.
Okay.
And please, this is between us, okay?
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay.
Good. Excuse me. Oh. Who is that?
It's your sister.
Oh, you should let it be. You should concentrate here. Alright.
Very beautiful.
Thank you. And you didn't tell me. I'm sure it's fine. Don't worry about her. Don't worry about her. She's just orientation. Yeah, let me call you.
Okay. So cute.
Yeah.
Henry is not picking. He's not picking. What is wrong? I hope he's okay. I hope he's fine. I think I have to check on him. I have to check on him. Yes.
Henry! Henry! Oh! What is it? Oh, Chelsea. Chelsea, Chelsea, please. Chelsea. It's not what
it's not what you think, it's not what you think, please. It's just,
Adeze. No, Chelsea, it's not what you think.
It's not what you think.
It's not what you think. Chelsea!
Chelsea!
Oh, God.
Take your hands off me. Take your hands off me.
Daisy, why? Why were you so heartless and wicked? How could you do that to your kid sister? That is the reason of my anger towards Adesi. Adesi is betrayed, and I will hate her for the rest of my life. No. Stop that. Chelsea, if God can forgive you, then who are you not to forgive your eldest sister? For crying out loud, she is your blood. And you ought to forgive her. See, I understand how you feel, but it's time for you to let things go. Please. Chelsea. My baby sister.
I know I really hurt you so bad. And I know the pain you feel in your heart. Please,
No, come on, please don't do this. Please rise. Don't do this.
Chelsea, please.
Daisy, please. Don't go on your knees. Why?
Chelsea, please. I'm so sorry.
Stop.
Beg Chelsea to forgive me. I didn't mean to do this.
It's okay.
It's okay. It will never happen again.
It's okay. Please calm. It's okay.
Please stop. Beg
Don't do this.
Stop. Beg Chelsea
Get
to
up.
forgive me.
Beg Chelsea, please.
Beg Chelsea. Chelsea, I'm so sorry.
Chelsea, hold it. Wait, my life.
Thank you so much.
My phone is ringing.
Okay.
Hello? Mike, that's your voice. This is Nigerian number now, Mike. Hell, don't tell me this is not true. It's a lie. Maybe you're in Nigeria. Ah! Lagos! Hey, baby, welcome. When are you coming to the village? Tomorrow. Baby, I can't wait to see you. Yes, Mama is fine. Neka is here with me. Should I give her the phone? Okay, baby, Neka, take.
Hello? Good evening. I'm fine. I hope you bought something for me. Oh. Bring it when you're coming to the village. Thank you. Okay, talk to her. Bye-bye.
Hey, darling. Yes, baby. Oh, I can't wait to see you.
I love you too, darling. Yes, I love you. Take good care of yourself. And make sure you come back early, oh? Okay, baby.
I love you too. Yeah, take care of yourself too. Bye-bye. My baby is back.
He said he brought something.
Me, I know my own is full. Let's go. Hey, my baby is fine. Let me not tell my mother.
Mama! Mama!
Where is this woman? Mama, Mike is back. Hey!
Are you serious?
Mama, yes. Mike is back.
As I'm talking to you, Mike is in Nigeria.
Then when is he coming?
Mama, he's coming tomorrow.
Oh, go Malaysia, mo! That means I will go and look for something that will prepare for you tomorrow. Hey!
So all this regarding is to impress me. Hey! You don't have to dress like a priest to impress us. No, you didn't have to. Please, be fast and be kind because my Malaysian worker is coming today. And I wouldn't want you to spoil my name. Big Papa.
Well, at this point, I think I need to introduce myself to you all. My name is Prince Emeka. I'm the first son of Eze Richard Ejiofor of Eze Kingdom. I am the crown prince and the heir to the throne of that land. You see, it's a matter of beauty that every prince, before ascending the throne, gets a wife who will rule precisely as queen. And as a result of that, I came to your land. I came here to seek for a wife. A woman with good virtues that can sit beside me and rule my land. Sincerely, I don't be the first time I set my feet in this land and saw you. I fell in love with you. I wanted to make you my wife immediately. But then, something happened. My prince called me. Yes. Mike, you see, there's something I need to tell you. There was this beautiful girl I saw yesterday. Trust me, she's beautiful. Her name is Adobe. She's from this village. Wow, that's nice, my prince. What are your intentions towards her? My plans with her. Mike, you know the whole reason for this disguise. You're leaving of the palace, coming to this village, and small game. You know the reason? Yes, it's to get a good wife for myself. That's it, just for that. I just want to get things rolling with her. Make her my wife as soon as possible. My prince, I'm sorry to say this, but I think you're too fast on this one. You need to slow things down. I mean, I've been your palace guard for years now. And that's why you trusted me and brought me along. Of course. My prince, if you ask for my advice, I will say, you need to slow things down. Okay? I mean, you need to get to know this girl. Her character, everything she does, who she meets, who she talks to. I mean, know so much about her before thinking about marriage. You have a point. Mikey! Oh, my brain box. You have a point. What do you suggest then? Can I whisper something?
My prince.
Yes, Mike.
My prince, with your permission, I would like to take the girls out. Adobe and her friend.
Okay then, no problem.
And one more thing, my prince. I would like some money to buy her a phone. She says she doesn't have a phone.
Alright then, good. Let me make some transfers to you.
Alright, my prince.
I have your GTB account.
Yes.
Guy, just imagine. Imagine how cheaply she fell. In a twinkling of an eye, this girl forgot about all the wonderful moments we shared together.
My prince, I would just advise you let her go. I mean, these are one of the things I was warning you to stay away from. Okay, just imagine if you had married this girl. Such a girl can even sleep with your father, the king. My prince, so what do we do now? My prince, you just let this girl go. She's not worth it. Please, you are a prince of our great kingdom, a handsome one for that matter. I mean, there are thousands and thousands of girls out there you can look for another and get married to. Please, my prince, calm down.
Of course, Mike. There are thousands of girls out there. But the annoying part is, I have come to love this Adobe girl. That is where it hurts.
I understand you, my prince.
Don't worry. I would just love to be left alone for now. Alright, my prince. I'll do it.
don't know. I don't know if Prince will like this one. I know he likes them slim. He will manage. Hello? Hello? Nne? Hello? Just 1 minute, please. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Amaka.
Amaka?
Yeah.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
My name is Mike. I'm from this village. Are you from this village?
Yes, I am. Are you?
No. I mean, yes. I'm from this village.
I don't understand. Which one is yes? No, yes.
That shouldn't be a problem. Forget about where I'm from. You see, I brought business for you. A very good business that you get good money.
Really?
Yes. See, yes, my brother, he's a very rich boy, and he's looking for a wife to marry. So, and I know he will like you. So, what will happen? I will take you to him. I know he will like you.
But I'm fetching firewood.
What is wrong with you? Leave the firewood. We are talking about business.
We need that firewood at home.
When you finish, you come back and carry your firewood after you've collected your money.
Why don't we go tomorrow now?
Leave that tomorrow. Now. Let us go.
Okay,
now.
let me bring my firewood so I will go.
Leave the firewood.
One of my cutlass. Let me just look for somewhere and drop it.
So bush. I said leave the cutlass. Let us go.
Okay.
Oh, no. Greetings, my prince.
Prince,
how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Samaka.
Maka, you're welcome. We can sit down here.
Thanks.
Make yourself comfortable again.
Thanks.
Amaka, please just give us 1 minute. Okay? We'll be with you shortly.
No problem.
Yeah. What was the meaning of that nonsense? Did I tell you that I want a woman?
My prince, but I'm tired of seeing you in this mood now. I just wanted to make you happy. Fine, I understand you like them slim. But I searched for, I couldn't find any. I just saw this one coming out from the bush. I had to bring her. In fact, her firewood is still outside there.
Look, Mike, I understand that you care about my happiness. But this one, I don't like.
But my prince, she's... Forget that village smell. She's sweet. She's sweet, though.
Go there and dispose of that girl. Tell her to leave here now, please.
But, my prince...
Go and tell her to get out.
My prince, we've paid her money. Should I do it in your place?
Whatever. Just, I don't want to see her. You can give her 5,000 for me. We left it.
Alright, my prince. You know what will happen now?
Mother brought me my grandmother.
We'll go somewhere else. My brother wants to take his bath. He will meet us here. He likes everything, no? He likes everything. Let's go first. Don't worry.
Mike. Is your chief?
As we speak, he's in the palace, preparing for the welcoming of my wife. The bead I hold in my hand is a sacred symbol of love, handed down to every queen by the Crown Prince marries, of course. He gives it to any maiden he finds fit to be his queen. And as it remains on the neck of that maiden, it represents their love and everlasting bond. And this bead will be handed over to someone here today. Someone who will rule side by side me. Adobe, you see your friend here. She's a good friend. And what they say, good friends are hard to come by. She stood by me in my time of despair, time of depression, times where all hope was lost. She was there to counsel, to comfort, and to care for me. This is a kind of woman I would love to sit by my side while I rule my people. Her counsel was priceless. Our hearts oftentimes finds a different path from what we imagined. And my heart